Hey, my name is Manus.
And I'm Augie, and we're interns at the Atomic Clocks Lab at the Aerospace Corporation.
And we'll be taking you through the day in the life as interns at the Aerospace Corporation. Follow us.
We are starting off the morning measuring the pressure of the buffer gas in a rubidium cell.
We want to compare this to previous data to see if the pressure loss is a concern for GPS clocks and satellites currently orbiting the Earth. This morning, I'm leading a career day panel for Zero Robotics team at MIT, so I'll head straight to a huddle room for that meeting. In this panel, I'm discussing space careers with middle schoolers. It's great to talk about our passion for physics and space to students who are already passionate about building programs to Zero Robotics.
Meanwhile, I'm starting my day with testing some clocks I worked on yesterday. We like to name our clocks after characters in the office, so we have Jim and Pam here. Our work is so cool because we can see tangible benefits to the company and even to the government, like GPS clocks. Then we head over to a poster session for X Lab and Physical Sciences Lab interns.
At this event, we display the work we've been doing for the organization and any of our findings. It's exciting because we get to speak with professionals from different departments at the company.
Today is also special because my sister is flying into town to visit. I'm going to run on my lunch break to pick her up and then bring her back to tour some of the labs.
Afterwards, I head back to my office to run some tests on 2 frequency combs. I named them Thor and Loki because they're very similar, but one often misbehaves. I discuss my findings with my manager, Danielle.
Time to show my sister around some of the labs so she can understand a little more about what I do.
After the tour, we head to the maser lab, where we will steer our hydrogen maser. This clock can be one of the most stable clocks we have, and we are able to use it to measure the performance of other clocks in our lab.
Everyday interning here is so cool and different.
We get to work on a lot of interesting and meaningful projects here at Aerospace.
So thank you so much for joining us today.
And we'll catch you on the flip side.